everybody, I'm Rebecca and welcome to my kitchen. Yes, we really are standing in my kitchen. Today I'm going to make a chicken and broccoli ring. And what I mean by a ring is I use crescent rings. Well, crescent rolls. And I'm going to make it into a ring. Now, depending on the size of your family, you'll use either one package or two packages of these crescent rolls. It's just Shawn and I, and since I have been trying to lose weight and I don't eat a whole lot of this kind of stuff, I will only use one package, and everything's kind of cut in half for us. So just kind of place it in the circle, and I kind of bring mine together towards the middle. So what I'm going to do in my bowl, you can use the kind of cheese that you want. I use Swiss cheese, and this is a small package. I want to make sure, I think it's an 8 ounce. It is. It's an 8 ounce. And I'm going to use most of it. And I'm going to shred it. And then I bought some chicken. And this is that already cooked chicken that it's grilled strips. And I can just break it up and put it in there. It's already seasoned. You can use that too. And this is a 1 pound, 16 ounces. And I'm not going to use the whole thing. I will eat that tomorrow for lunch. And then I'm going to open my cooked broccoli. This was frozen. And I just cooked it down, and the reason why I cooked it is because I didn't want to, it won't take so long to cook. And I just kind of cut this up, and if there's any ones I don't want to use, I just kind of cut them up and break them down into smaller pieces.
Like a fast, easy meal.
It is a real fast, easy meal for your family. You come in from baseball, because all that stuff I know is starting for people. And I'm going to get a spoon out because I'm going to want to stir this and mix this up. Let me get a bigger spoon or my spatula here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some pepper in there. And this is seasoning salt. Has a bunch of other stuff in it, onion powder, garlic powder. So since that's in there, we'll skip the onion and garlic powder. And then this is mayonnaise. We're going to put a half a cup to a cup, depending on how this all goes together. Now, if you don't want to use Swiss cheese, Shawn and I love it with Swiss cheese. You can use cheddar cheese.
Or any kind of cheese, really.
Yeah, you can use whatever your family likes.
You can use any kind of vegetable, too. You can use green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers. You don't have to use broccoli. A lot of people don't like broccoli, but I love it.
See that one big scoop. You just want it to have a blend, you know, that it blends together. And then what we're going to do is I'm just going to start laying this out around my ring. As you can see, this is a lot. Mine's going to be a huge ring.
It's alright, I'll eat it.
He will too. And then what you're going to do, let me wash my hands up real quick. So then I'm just going to bring these up and just kind of connect them in the center. Now I've seen people put almonds on this. We are not an almond family. I'm just going to bring that up, and then you're just going to put it in the oven, 375, until it's good and hot and baked. And you'll see that mayonnaise will puff it up and it will bubble, and it's probably a good 25-30 minutes. And we'll come back when it's ready. Hi everybody, welcome back. It's done. And this is it. And as you can see, it puffed up and it got done. And it's done in the middle. So what I'm going to do, let me find a longer knife. I'm just going to cut into this.
Smells good.
It is. It looks really good. Just going to take out. And there you go. And as you can see, it's done. It's cooked. Hot all the way through. And that's it. Shawn and I are going to have our dinner and enjoy it. I'm going to turn off the oven. I want to thank you for joining me here in my kitchen, and I'll see you next time when I make a breakfast ring with sausage and eggs, and I'll see you then. Bye.